So this block is Les Ruchons. It's a new cuvée of our family. We planted this block in 69. So this block have 50 years old. And in flinty soils, the flint have odor, smell something. When you break some stones, you have pierre à fusil, flintstone. And we manage this block in organic, so we only use copper and sulfur, and under vine cultivation, no herbicide. The particularity of this soil, it's never dry. We have a lot of water at 2 meters. So, like in this year, we have the forecast was very dry during the summer, and we never have some problem of water with the vineyard. So I can explain you very quickly the pruning.
Juste une question,
Yeah.
Lionel. Ruchon, c'est quoi? Ruchon, le mot
Ruchon.
Ruchon.
Petite ruche.
Alors, Ruchon, dans la région, excuse me, I speak French. Dans la région, il y a les noms des parcelles sont en corrélation avec ce qu'on peut trouver autour. Je m'explique. Il y a un secteur qui s'appelle Chante-Grenouille.
Oui.
C'est un secteur humide.
Ouais.
On a un secteur qui s'appelle le Pré de la Carpe.
Ouais.
Secteur humide. Ruchon, roc, rocher, caillou.
I see.
Quand on regarde en haut de la parcelle, on voit des gros rochers. C'est des rochers qu'on n'a pas pu enlever pour planter jusqu'en haut de la parcelle, parce que c'est des rochers, ils font la moitié du véhicule. Hein.
This is very interesting. We talked about where the name Ruchon comes from.
Yeah.
And Lionel just explained that a lot of the names of the plots have to do with what is around it. So there, for example, there's a funny one that's called Chante Grenouille. It means singing frogs. And it's a humid area, so they use that, and of course all the locals know what it is. This is the Ruchon, because it has big pieces of rock in it. What we see here aren't the biggest, but he said a little further up the hill there are pieces of rock that are half the size of the truck.
Wow.
So and that's the Ruchon. That's where the name comes from.
Okay.
And now
Great.
we go to the pruning.
For example, after we are visiting La Côte des Mondanais, and we say our grandfather says we will be damned to work in this area because it's very steep.
People were so crazy to.
Okay.
It does mean the dam.
So,
Yeah.
so the pruning, excuse me, for the pruning I speak French.
Okay.
Hein?
Je vais le traduire.
Le principe de la taille, c'est de garder 2 coursons. Les coursons sont les parties qui vont nous servir à tailler l'année prochaine, et une branche à fruits.
Did you get it?
Ce qui est très important dans la taille, c'est de respecter le flux de sève. C'est-à-dire qu'il ne faut pas tailler que d'un côté, il faut tailler des 2 côtés de la souche pour que le flux de sève alimente bien l'ensemble.
Very important principle with the pruning is that the sap stream is kept intact. So
Okay.
they work from 2 sides
Okay.
to make sure that the sap stream is not interrupted.
Okay.
Et pour avoir toujours un flux de sève équivalent sur la souche, ce qu'on fait, on alterne la baguette tous les ans. Cette année, on mettra la baguette de ce côté-là, parce que l'endroit où il y a la baguette demande plus de sève.
This is what's called the baguette, which means
Okay.
the stick.
Okay.
And you have to alternate every
Okay.
year again to keep sort of the balance in the
Okay.
vine going.
Okay.
So this was last year's baguette,
Okay.
and this is going to be this year's baguette.
Okay.
Because you only with grapes you only get fruit on second year wood.
Okay.
And so this is the second year. So the branches that come out of here
Yep.
will be bearing fruit.
Okay.
Et on garde, we call it courson. Et on garde les coursons à l'extérieur. On fait toujours les coupes sur le dessus. Le flux de sève par le dessous, les coupes sur le dessus.
You see this year's wood goes
Okay.
bye bye. So this is for next year, for this year, for 2019,
Oh, see, that's the new baguette.
and that's what
Okay.
is kept in reserve. And the baguette for next year will come out of this one again.
Okay.
Next year, we keep a reserve here, and we cut here.
Okay.
A reserve here, and a baguette here.
Okay.
So when we prune this year, we think next year.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very important for to have less problem of trunk disease.
Pruning is a little philosophical
Okay.
because you have to look ahead.
Okay.
It's easy.
Faut